So you want to know the complete hardware. So you want to know the details of the hardware that is being installed here. Okay. So you type uname minus a. So we will not call it as minus. Okay. We will call it as hyphen a. Okay. So they are running it on Ubuntu. Okay. This is one type of operating system. Okay. This is all the types. Okay. Uname. So if you don't know about the command, okay, you will type hyphen help. So it will give you all that help. What is the hardware platform? What is the processor? I will type P. It will give me the processor here. x86-64. This is my processor. I will type O. Or you can type double hyphen operating system. Same I will type, okay, hyphen operating system. Same, you will get the same result. Okay. So I will type hyphen S. You will get the kernel name. So that is a Unix. Then I want to know the computer name. What is the computer name? N. So this is their computer name that they have allocated to us. Okay. Then machine name M. Okay. So these are all the options that it will give you to see that hardware. Okay. So then you have something called cat command. Okay. Cat is to see the file. Cat hyphen etc/OS release. Okay. So this is little difficult. Okay. So here in this file you will have all the information whatever they have created. It is like complete information. Okay. Now you want to know the host name. Okay, or host name. It will give you the computer name. This is the computer name that they have given. Okay. So one by one we will see what is these all options. You will learn what is the Linux operating system. Okay. So you can ask, okay, why we want to learn Linux operating system. Okay. So Linux operating system is the free operating system, whereas Windows is paid. Most of the companies, servers, they will be using Linux operating system only because of the free. It is not proprietary, so they can run it and they can modify and they can do anything. Okay. Now I want to know the information of the CPU. LS CPU. Okay. So this has given me all the information with respect to CPU. These are all the details. Okay. This is the CPU details. Okay. Then you want to know what is the free memory. Okay. I will type free, enter. it will give me all these numbers. So I want a human readable free hyphen h. So 4.5 GB is used. Okay, free is 2.9 GB. Okay, total 14 GB memory. So this is whatever they have given me. It is temporary. 14 GB RAM they have given me, that VM to play. Okay, now I want to see what is the disk size. DF disk files. Okay, this is all the disk files that they have. So just like how your partition will be C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, like that this is the Linux operating system, this is the file system. Okay, so now I will type, okay, df hyphen h, okay, human readable. So give me number, okay, which I will be able to read. Okay, so now you see it, there is only one disk here. Whatever start with Dave, that is your physical device. This is all your logical device. Okay, only one hard disk we have. So with this you will identify how many hard disks are attached. Okay, so now I want to see the how many hard disks are there. Okay, ls blk. So it will give me the number of hard disk. Okay, so it has given me only one hard disk here. Okay, NVMe 0 N1 300 GB. Okay, so this is also a disk. Okay, now I want you to also do this. Okay, so let me see how you are going to do. I will type uptime. It will give me the time from which this has been up. Okay, so the computer which I am running is, it has been up for 40 days. So from 40 days it is running. So this is the remote computer that I am working on now. Okay, so now you also do these commands. Okay, so I will share this guide, this material to you. So who will share the screen and run the commands? Yeah, Anumant, you share your screen and run the commands. Let's see. He is running that information. Okay, so now you run it. Freeze, free, enter. This is your free memory. Free hyphen h, free space hyphen h. Then you type df hyphen h. Df hyphen h. Hyphen. So it will show you the disk usage. Okay. So you type uptime, uptime. This is up for 32 minutes. Okay. From 32 minutes he has started. Okay. Date. If you type time, it will not show the time. Okay. Click on time. Okay. See, in date it is included time also. So if you type time, it will show the usage, how your real time is usage, and then how the user is using, how the system is using. It will show that usage time. So these are all the basics commands. So now you type pwd. This is where you are /home Hanumant. Okay, this is your directory. This is where you will have complete control, and you can do all read, write, everything you can do it here. That is your destination. Okay. So now type ls hyphen al, enter. These are all your files. Blue color is the directory, white color is your file. Okay. Now change the directory, go into the other one, cd slash, you put slash, backslash, backslash home, HOME. Okay. Now you are into home. See that directory here. Next to your username, it is showing. Now you type cd slash. Now you have gone back one directory. Okay. Now type ls. This is the root directory, means this is the last directory. Okay. Beyond that you cannot go above. This is the last. Okay, from where it will start, all the partitions, all that. This is called as root directory. Okay. So now you type tree, TREE, tree. Enter. So it is showing you all the tree structure, how that is. Now if it is going like this, you type Ctrl C, it will stop. Okay. Now you go to your home directory, cd, no, not that one, cd your shift comma, you will have after before one you have one keyword, right? cd space. So before one you have one keyword, that wave symbol, shift cd, no, capital letter, no, you should not use capital letter. Okay. cd is home, cd space home, enter. So now he is under the home directory. Okay. Now you type tree here, tree command. So this is how it will look like, the tree command. Okay. These many users you have. Okay, in /home. Okay. So these are all little bit basic commands. Okay. So this is how you will be doing it. The same command you can do it on the type everything. Okay. You don't have to type everything. If you want to go to cd desktop. Okay. cd capital D E. I will press a tab. Okay. So it will automatically take. Then I want to see what is in the desktop. You see this all icon, home, desktop, XCF, all these are, it is also showing it here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will type df-h ls block, list block. Okay. One disk. Okay, you have two disk here, NVMe, this one disk, okay, and one more disk here. Total two disk here. Okay. So I will share you this material, whatever I am doing it. So I will share this book, okay. So you refer it and then you start practicing it. So then we will have something theory part today, or practical. If you want practical, we will do the practical also. So this is how you will start it, the DevOps. So it will be like this type of work. You will be working on this type of terminal. So this we will call it as terminal, whatever I am seeing here, or we will call this as shell. Okay, you see it here, terminal. Okay. So view all that, you have it here. So this is your online application, online free OS. Okay, you don't have to install anything. Okay, it will just give you all the options. Once you are done, you can just pass. First I have created the content based on the modules like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Now these are all in jumbled manner. Okay. So first it will be foundational and your cross domain skills. So this is the area, okay. So where you will know what is DevOps, what is AWS introduction, okay. So what is development, what is operations, AWS, all it will be covered. So this is just an introduction, okay. So what you will do, everything. So then mandatory concepts that you should be aware. So what is web server, what is application server, what is application tier, what is master, what is slave, monolithic kernel architecture, all that you will know here. Okay, these are the mandatory concept that you should know. So I kept it in module 14, but I have moved it into module 2nd. I will change this numbering. I will change this modules also. So earlier version I am using this as a module. Okay. So then you have something called as capstone project. Okay. So you will develop all these real-time implementation. How you will be doing this. Okay. So this you will put it in your resume like I have done this. Okay. This is what I have done. You need to explain this capstone project. It will be a real-time project. Okay. So this is your first basic. Okay. Then you have something called operations and something in the development. Okay. Then in AWS. Okay. Operations you will have most of the topics. Almost 50% of the topics will be in the operations only. You have networking. You have Linux. This is where we started. Then you will have containerization, then orchestration, then configuration management, and then infrastructure as code. So whatever you are doing, all this you will be monitoring it through Prometheus and Grafana. So once this is done, your operations role is done. Means if you are very strong, you can apply for Linux administrator also. This is one role. So once this is done, we will go to the development, or we can jump into the development also. Okay. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. So how it will be done? We will have these tools. Okay. Then we will have some programming here, Python and shell scripting. Then you have something called database, Postgres database. Okay. So once this is done, then we will come back to our AWS cloud. So what services are required? Compute service, then storage service, then their underlying technology, how that is configured. After that, we will come to know what exactly we will be doing in the cloud. Okay, this is all your foundational knowledge. Then you will come to here. Okay, you will use this CI/CD, code commit, code pipeline, code build, code deploy. These are all the AWS tools that you will be using. So if you know all these concepts, then you will easily understand this, what exactly these are doing, like that. So then you have something, cloud formation. Then you have container service, then monitoring. So you have here CloudWatch and CloudTride, then automation, then security, and you will have all that as a summary, what this is the DevOps flow. So this is about the course content. Okay. So this is where we just started in Linux. Okay. Slowly we will do a theoretical part also. Tomorrow what we will do the theoretical part as well. Mostly we will cover theory part, then we will come back to the practical again. So we will touch something here. Okay, we will touch something here and here. So it will be like your 3 periods, period 1, period 2, period 3, like that. So once we do that, then only we will be able to know, okay, these are all the multiple topics that we will be covering. Once we are done, then you will get to know about the cloud services, how we are going to deploy all that DevOps.